In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notifications with Microsoft Copilot. Understanding how to optimize your notification settings is essential for creating a streamlined and efficient workflow, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks at once. So let's dive in and explore how you can tailor these settings to suit your specific needs. First things first, you'll need to open up the Microsoft Copilot app or head over to the settings page. It's important to ensure you're in the right place so that you have full access to all the customization options you need. If you're not familiar with where to locate these, you might find a quick search or checking in your application list helpful as a starting point. Once you have the app or settings open, your next task is to navigate over to the Notifications Preferences section. This is where the magic happens. It's the hub for all things related to how Copilot communicates with you. Look for something labeled Notifications. This is typically found under a settings menu, and its placement can vary slightly depending on the version you're using. Inside the Notifications Preferences, you'll see a variety of notification types. This is where you'll decide exactly what you want to be notified about. Take some time to consider your priorities. Do you need alerts for specific actions or updates, or are certain notifications unnecessary clutter? Toggle on the types of notifications that you feel will keep you informed and productive. Remember, you have the flexibility to turn these on and off as your needs change over time. So don't stress about making permanent decisions right now. Next, it's time to put your personal touch on those notifications. Customize the alert sounds or banners. This is an opportunity to assign specific tones that might help you distinguish easily between different types of notifications or alert you in a way that's most noticeable to you. Whether it's a subtle ping for an email or a more distinct sound for urgent tasks, tailoring these alerts can make a world of difference in how effectively you manage incoming information. Once you're satisfied with your selections and customizations, you'll want to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the modifications you've made are set in place for future use. If there's a save or apply button, make sure you click that before exiting. And just like that, you can exit the settings. By adjusting your notifications in Microsoft Copilot, you are taking control of your digital experience, ensuring that you only get alerted for the things that truly matter, allowing you to maintain focus and increase your overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our channel for more